Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on see this is gigabyte.com and this is search box. Just click on it and enter your model number of motherboard Z790S Wi-Fi DDR4. Then enter hit DDR4. Then enter hit enter. Then you can see there are two. So both same. Just click first. Click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 11. Okay, so both if you are using any but installations process same, select any. No, LAN driver, a Realtek LAN driver 10 MB, and click to download. Then click to single click to open, then exe, and then click to yes. Okay, now you can see this LAN driver installing. Then close it automatically, means this is installed.